Hi students, I'm Rakshan Sapro, software education online classes. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the sample program of QBasic. That means how to write, how to code, how to debug or how to modify the programs. Before doing programs, we must need to know these things. Terms and conditions. Terms and condition is must necessary for programmers. That means it is the master of program. If you don't know the terms and conditions, then you cannot do the program. First of all, QBasic programming, when we write the program, then it will compile. That means it will interpret and communicate and give you the results. Okay? The terms and conditions, first of all, we are going to take a simple program. And how does program work? How to write the code of the program? Now start. Simple. This is circle. This is circle. In this circle, it is the median point. It is the median point. Okay? And this is radius. This is the R. Radius. And for calculating how to calculate its area. How to calculate its area. For calculating area, we need value of pi, which is the constant 22/7, and other things we have to input the radius. Okay, these two components we have to use for calculating the area and circumference of the circle. Now, program how to calculate the area and circumference of our circle. Question: write a QBasic program to calculate the area and circumference of a circle Simply, solution. For designing any program, we must need to know about the functions of the QBasic elements. First of all, CLS, which is used to clear the output screen. After REM, especially REM is the statement, QBasic statement, which is used for remarks. Write the heading. It does not execute into the output. Calculate area and circumference of circle. Okay. Just take this for heading. When you open the program, then we can get this type of program is generated. Now, input. Enter the radius. Of circle. Especially what? This is the statement which is used to read the value from the keyboard and enter the radius of the circle. It is the string expression which is included in double quotation marks. Such when we run this program, then it will display the output. Close semicolon R. Okay. Now what is the formula of the area of circle? AOC. AOC stands for area of circle. It is a variable. Means pi into R cap 2. R cap 2 means R into R. R cap 2 means what? R into R. This is the formula of area of circle. The COC is the variable, single precision variable, and 2 into pi into R. Okay. The area of circle is going to store in AOC variable, and the circumference of a circle is going to store in COC variable. Now print it. The area of circle is close semicolon AOC. Okay, and the print next statement print the circumference is close semicolon COC. That is two variable. It is a single machine. and AOC variable stores the area of circle, value of area of circle, and the COC is the variable which stores the circumference of a circle, and total number of variables. How many variables are stored? Number R is the single precision. That means these are the default variables of the QBasic program. Okay, and finally we have to terminate with the statement. Okay, and when we run this program, R2, then it will demand that enter the radius of circle. Suppose enter the radius of circle. Suppose we have it 7. Okay, then if you input 7, then pi r square, what is the value of AOC? That means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Can you see? Okay, equal to 22 by into 7 equal to 4154. R2 will be what? The area of circle. The area of circle is how much? 154. Similarly, the circumference is the circumference is how much? 2 by 9. That means what? 2 into 22 by 7 into R7. Can you see? Equal to 44. That means 44. So this is the output of different program. Okay? If we can ask the question how it will display, then this is the coding, this is the program mode, this is the output. When you write this code, it will display the output. That means, sir, one question is created. A student can ask the question, how many space occupies? 4 byte. This program occupies 12 bytes. A space in memory. Okay? What types of variables are declared? Single precision. Students can ask question. So what types of variable? Single precision. Why it is called single precision? Because it hasn't used any sign. Okay? The variable which doesn't use any sign, that is called the default variable. A single precision is the default variable. CLS, RAM, input, print, in. These all are called the QBasic statements. Which is called the results. Okay? So all the programs related to QBasic can use solution by using methods. Simple programs, just we need the component and know the formula, write the code. Components, but we have to know the terms and conditions. Teachers cannot teach terms and conditions. We have to still prepare terms and conditions. Codes can also not teach terms and conditions. For programmer, terms and conditions must need to know. If you don't know the terms and conditions, then we cannot design any types of the program, not only QBasic. C, C++, Visual Basic, Oracle, Java. For every programs, we need to know, understand about the terms and conditions. Simply, pi r square. If the students are not knowing what is the formula of the AOC, how can we design it? That is called the terms and conditions. Okay. Now, in this tutorial, we have learned about how to make simple programs related to basic. And in next tutorial, again we will present by using another videos